Hello students, today we are going to continue with our word problems. Let's see question number 3. In an election, the three candidates secured 23,457, 45,678 and 1,23,456 votes respectively. If 3,267 votes were invalid, how many votes were polled? It's a question related to election, and we know these days only election was conducted. You must be having some idea. And even for the election of our class monitors also, what we do? Sometimes we fix the votes, sometimes we tell them to raise the hands. And some children raise the hand for the first candidate, some children raise for the second candidate. And when you total all the votes, we get the total number of votes polled in the class. In the same way, we can see here, in this election, how many candidates were there? 3 candidates were there. And for the first candidate, how many votes were there? How many votes he secured? 23,457 votes. And the second candidate secured 45,678 votes. And the third candidate secured 1,23,456 votes. That is what is used here respectively. Means in this order. First candidate this number, second candidate this number, and the third candidate so many votes. And here some more votes are given. What are they? If 3,267 votes were invalid. Invalid means there is no value for that votes. Means it was not given to the first, second or third candidates. Means it was given in such a way it did not have any value. Means some people they vote for 2 persons at the same time, and some persons they vote in between 2 persons. In such cases the vote becomes invalid. Here like that, how many votes were invalid? 3,267 votes. But those votes also were polled. Now here our question is, how many votes were polled? How many people have given the vote? That is what we have to find out. How can we find out total number of votes polled? For finding out the total number of votes polled, we have to add all these. Means the vote secured by the first candidate, vote secured by the second candidate, vote secured by the third candidate, and invalid votes. When you add them all, then only we will get the total number of votes polled. Okay? Then what we have to do? We have to add them all. Then we understood what to be done to find out the total number of votes polled. Now the next step is to find out the statements. Statement how to write. First number, what it is? It is the number of votes polled secured by the first candidate. Now, the next is 45,678. What is that number? That is votes secured by the second candidate. Now, the next number is 1,23,456. This is the votes or number of votes secured by the third candidate. Now, one more number we have to add. What is that? 3,267. What is 3,267? These are the invalid votes. Then what we can write? Invalid votes is equal to 3,267. Then the last comes the answer statement. When you add them all, what are you going to get? The final answer, what is that? Therefore, how many votes were polled? That is the last sentence, then the question. We can write, therefore, total number of votes polled is equal to what sum you are getting. Okay, that's the way we have to do question number 3. Now we can see question number 4. Anu's annual salary in 2016 was 1,67 rupees 892 rupees. Okay. Now, in 2017, his income exceeded. Exceeded means increased the previous year's income by 27,890 rupees. What was his total income in the 2 years? Okay, you have to find out the total income of 2 years. And first year's 2016's income is very clearly given to us. It is 1,67,892 rupees. And is the salary of 2017 given? No, that is not given, but we have got a clue to find out the salary of 2017. What is that? His income exceeded the previous year's income by 27,890 rupees. Means he had an increment of 27,890 rupees than the previous year's income. It means the salary, it increases every year, and how much is increased? This much is increased. Then how can we find out his annual salary of 2017? The income of 2016 plus increased or exceeded income, that is 27,890. When we add both this, we will get his annual salary of or annual income of 2017. Now, what is the last question? What was his total income in the 2 years? How can we find out? We got the income of 2016 and we found out the income of 2017. To find out the total income of 2 years, what we have to do? We have to add 2016's income plus 2017's income. Okay? Then we can write the statements also in the same way. How to write? Anu's annual salary in 2016 is equal to rupees 1,67,892, and for 27,890 rupees we can write his exceeded income in 2017. Okay, and the next statement will be, therefore his income in 2017 is equal to 1,67,892 plus 27,890. That will be his income of 2017. Then the last statement comes, therefore his total income in the 2 years is equal to 1,67,892 plus what we found out, 2017's income. Add both of them, we will get the total income in total income of 2 years. Okay, we can do the next question. Question number 5. In 2010, the male population of a town was 1,23,456. If there were 20,456 more females than males in the town that year, find the population of females and the total population of the town in 2010. Here in this question, 2 questions are asked. What are things we have to find out? First, we have to find out the population of females. Then we have to find out the total population of the town in 2010. For that, what all details are given to us? We have got the male population of a town. Male population means number of men and boys. No, children also divided into boys and girls and men and boys. That is, the male population of the town is given, and that is 1,23,456. Now, if there were 20,456 more females than males in the town, then 20,456, is it the total number of females? No, but 20,456 more females are there in that town than males. This is the extra number of females in the town. From that, we can easily find out the population of females. How can we find out the population of females? The male population plus 20,456. That will be the number of females or population of females. Okay. Now, next question is total population of the town. We know the male population and we have found out the population of females. Then when you add both of them, we will get the total population of the town. How can we write the statements now? First statements, whatever we are writing, it will be for finding out the population of females. Okay. Then first we can write the male population of a town. The male population of a town is equal to 1,23,456. Now, what are we going to add with that? We are going to add 20,456. What is that? The number of more females than males in the town, or more number of females in the town, is equal to 20,456. Then, therefore, we are going to get total population of females. Therefore, population of females is equal to 1,23,456 plus 20,456. Okay, then we get the population of females. Now we can go to the next question. What is that? Therefore, total population of the town in 2010 is equal to, what is the male population? 1,23,456 plus what we found out, female population. That also should be added. We will get the total population of the town. Hope all of you understood. The remaining questions, remaining word problems we will do in the next class. Thank you.